parade was ready to go, with flags and music in a joyful row. But drip drop rain fell from the sky, and all the animals started to sigh. And the bear held her red balloon. She frowned and said, "It's raining too soon." She tucked it close and took a seat. "My red parade won't be complete." Yo-yo, the chick wore yellow boots. She splashed in puddles near some roots. "I guess we can't march down the lane, but maybe we can dance in the rain." Elio, the chick, wore yellow boots. She splashed in puddles near some roots.
"I guess we can't march down the lane,
but maybe we can dance in the rain."
Ellie, the elephant, raised a trunk. Blue, green dripped, kerplop and plunk.
She laughed, "Our colors won't stay bright, but maybe raindrops make them right." Ellie, the yellow, green, and blue splashed together, one, then two. Stop and swirl and laugh again. You can still parade in the rain. Red and yellow, green and blue splashed together, one, then two. Stomp and swirl and laugh again. You can still parade in the rain. Reddy the frog hopped out with a grin. "This green umbrella's keeping me in." He jumped so high, the colors flew. Paint hit the clouds and made them new.
Fifi the fox swirled round and round. The sky lit up, no more gray ground. The clouds made space for light to play, and a rainbow smiled across the way.
March again, the rain is done. The rainbow's here, let's have some fun. Red and yellow, blue and green, the brightest colors ever seen.
Thanks for watching!